Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing how we can change password in our Edward Jones account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to know is that you only have the option to reset your password in Edward Jones rather than completely changing it. So to change your account, to reset your account, you should tap on forgot user ID or password and tap on the reset your password option. However, to change your password in your Edward Jones account, you need to completely create a new account with your preferred password. So by following the prompts given on screen, you can just reset your password by typing in your birth date, social security number, and your email address or user ID. However, it is not possible to completely change it by going through any other functions in your app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.